How to set spatial wallpaper on your iPhone. It's important to know that your iPhone needs to be on the latest software update, so just make sure it's on iOS 26. It doesn't need to be anything after that. You just have to make sure that your phone is updated to the iOS 26. To check that really quick, we can go to Settings, and you want to go to General and go to Software Update and see what you need. As you see, I do have iOS 26, so I'm good to go. So if you're good with that, go ahead and come out of here, and you want to drop down your lock screen from the top left-hand corner. So we're just going to drop that down. And from here, you just want to click and hold anywhere on your phone, and you want to hit Customize. So for this, it's really important to pick a good photo. So if you're looking for a photo of a building or a person or a pet, that will have the effect that you're looking for. It'll just be more noticeable. So what I'm going to do is actually go and click on the picture icon at the far left-hand side here and choose a photo. You can go into your library or just choose a photo. I'm going to choose a photo, and I'm going to choose this picture of my dog here. So what you want to do from that point is choose the spatial effect icon, which is right next to the three buttons on the far right side. So you just want to click that on, and it's going to generate the spatial scene. And from this point, what you can do is tilt your phone in all different directions, and that in itself gives you the effect that you're looking for. Once you like it, go ahead and hit done, and that way all of those lines kind of get out of the way, and from that point forward, you'll have that spatial wallpaper on your iPhone. And that's it. It's very simple and very easy.